Hey guys, what's up? It's applecritics from applecritics.com, and I got a very special video for the iPhone 5S and iPhone 6 users, but especially in this video for you iPhone 5S users that are still loyal to your iPhone 5S. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you iOS 12.4.7 on the iPhone 5S and just how it's been operating and my day-to-day use of it. So let's start off. So this is an iPhone 5S, so you can just tell by the design and just by the overall screen size. So 3.5-inch screen. This actual iPhone was released in 2013, September 2013 to be exact. So it's been a while, and it's just amazing that Apple is still providing support nearly 7 years later. So this is just definitely a big update for older phones in terms of what it has to offer. It offers a lot of good security and patches and improvements and fixes the CVE exploit. But yet again, you can still use the checkra1n JB on this. So it still works for iOS 12.4.7. So that's very good. So it's just definitely a bug fix update. So just to prove that I'm on iOS 12.4.7, we can go into settings. And then if we go to the software, you'll see that it says iOS 12.4.7 and that your software is up to date. So it is really working on my iPhone 5S. And then we can go into general and then about. And then for the software version, it says iOS 12.4.7 and the build number is 16G192. Now, in terms of what this update has to offer, while it doesn't offer any major improvements or new features, it's more of a solid bug fix. It's a 48.1 megabyte update, so it's a relatively small update, and it does save some storage space and give you back some more storage space. It doesn't have any exposure notifications for COVID-19 or anything like that, but it still is a solid and significant update. It's good to see Apple is updating iOS 12 even after iOS 13 has been released. Now, it just still a solid performance. You can go into any apps, let's say the App Store, then you can go into the iTunes Store, and you can see how fast it is, and everything will load up, and you can see that it's still pretty good on the iPhone 5S. So it's still good to see that Apple once again is developing software, and it's a huge statement and another reason to like Apple. So essentially, if you want to see the full hands-on of iOS 12.4.7, go ahead and click that card right here in the top right corner. But other than that, it's just a small update, but it does fix up the patches and it enhances the performance of iOS 12.4.7 ever so slightly. Thanks for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe. Please hit that like button. Comment down below on what you think of iOS 12.4.7 on the iPhone 5S. Please be sure to follow me on all the social media platforms of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is applecritics, and be sure to subscribe for more great content, and thanks for watching.